Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Honorable to Mr. Bobby, and introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Salman, and number student is 6425127 from class management 1B. Okay, this time I'm going to give a speech discussing the 2026 World Cup qualifying match between Indonesia and Bahrain, which took place on October 10, 2024. The reason I choose this topic is because I've been watching Indonesia football since I was a child, which is which is why I love the Indonesia national team and Indonesia football so much. The Indonesia versus Bahrain match took place at Bahrain home ground, the Bahrain National Stadium. The Indonesia and Bahrain national team draw 2-2 in the third match of the third round of the 2026 World Cup qualifying group in the ASEAN Zone, Group C. On Thursday, October 10, 2024, the Indonesian national team was very close to victory until the 90 minutes of extra time. The Indonesia national team still led 2-1. Thanks to goal from Ragnar Mangon and Rafael Struijk, which cancelled out Bahrain free kick goal Mohammad Marhoun. However, the referee from Oman, named Ahmed Al-Kaf, ended the match shortly after when injury time in the second half reached the 6 minutes. This match is interesting to discuss because the referee's attitude is too prominent or siding with on team, and the referee should be natural. Many foreign football observers are also interested in discussing the match, especially Indonesia football observers and there people who feel dissatisfied by the referee. Even the Indonesian national team coach was very angry after the match. Many unfair violations were made by the referee decision that were detrimental to the Indonesia national team. And at the end of the match, in the final minutes of the match, score 2-1, which was favored by Indonesia. The referee raised the board for additional time, namely 6 minutes. But in the 6 minutes, the referee did not blow the whistle to signal the end of the match until the 9 minutes of additional time, which exceeded the time limit. Bahrain added a goal, which made the score a draw at 2-all. This attitude is what made Indonesia players and those watching from Indonesia angry the referee's injustice, feeling dissatisfied by the referee decision. Indonesian national team players who were sitting on the bench also protested and entered the field to defend the referee's unreasonable attitude. The match should have ended, but with the referee policy of extending the match, the result was a draw when Indonesia should have won over Bahrain. Because of the referee, the result was a draw. Maybe this is all I can convey. I apologize and I hope that what I convey can be useful for all of us. Okay, this time I will explain to question word. Yeah, next slide. Question words. Interrogative words are words used to ask about time, place, people, time, place, people, object, things, reasons, methods, and so on. Interrogative words in English take the form of various we have words which are words beginning with we have W W W yeah W have what, where, when, why, which, who, whom, was, or words containing the letter W, W, and have. How. Yeah. Next slide. Question word. By understanding question words, we can communicate more effectively and obtain the information we need in everyday conversation. Next slide. W question word. We have question or question in English that begin with we have word. What is the function of we have question? We have question are used to ask for information to which the listener must give a clear answer in English. Yeah. They are also known as open question. In other words, you cannot answer a we have question with just yes or no. Yeah, next slide. Use. We use question words when we want to obtain information. The following are the question words that are used. Yeah, the next sample image 5W1H. When, where, who, what, why, and how. Yeah, next slide. What? This question word is used to ask about objects or things. Yeah. What your favorite color? My favorite color is yellow. That is what? Next slide. Where? This question word is used to ask about place. Where do you live? I live in Jakarta. Yeah, that is where. Next slide. When? This question word is used to ask about time. Yeah. When are you going to zoo? When are you going to zoo? Okay, 2 more days. Yeah. Next slide. Yeah. Next slide. Why? And now, why? This question word is used to ask about reason. Why do you hate cats? Because of its fur. Okay, next slide. Which? This question word is used to ask about choice or preference. Which is your apple? The red one. Yeah. Next slide. Who? This is who. This question word is used to ask about person. Example, who is that man? That man is my brother. Oh yeah, my brother. That is example who. Okay, next slide. Was. This question word is used to ask about passive. Yeah, about passive. Example is whose turn is it? My turn. Okay, that is was. Okay. Next slide. how. This question word is used to ask about manner. Example is, how did you find out about this campus? In in internet. Oh yeah, in internet. uh, Next slide. What time? What time? This question word is used to ask about time. About time or how. Yeah. Example is, what time will you arrive in England at 12 12. Yeah. Next slide. Yeah. Next slide. How often? This question word is used to ask about frequency. Example is, how often should I change my toothbrush? Twice a day. Yeah, that is how. Example, how often. And next slide, how much. This question word is used to ask about quantity or price. Example is, how much do we need? Only 5 kilograms. Next slide, how long. This question word is used to ask about duration. How long is the movie? Okay, the movie is 13 minutes long. Okay, next slide, how far. This question word is used to ask about distance. Example, how far is moon from earth? Very far. That is example. How many? This question word is used to ask about the amount or price. How many cakes do you have? Yes, two. Yeah. Yeah. That is my presentation. Thanks. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.